will see CSS. Long form of CSS is cascading style sheet. CSS is used for designing the web page. Mean that CSS plays a very important role in designing the web page. CSS basically means that styles. Okay, we apply the style to the web page. Okay, long form of the CSS is the cascading style sheet. Mean that we apply the style to the document, to the element of the HTML page. Okay, for example, HTML page that created within the structure tag. Okay, there are different structure tag. Outermost structure tag is the HTML tag, then head tag, then title tag, and body tag. In body tag, we write down the element. Mean that we specify the HTML element, and within that element we display your information on the web page. But what happen? We display your information on the web page. That information will be stylish. Okay, so we give the style to the web page. Basically, it is plays a very important role in the designing the website. For example, Facebook is the example of the website. We apply the style to the Facebook page within the style sheet. Okay, then your Google is there. Then different website that develop using the CSS. Why basically we use the CSS? Okay, CSS it is a very useful to create your page attractive and visible, that end user can easily use your page. Okay, then CSS it is a very useful. Okay, that end user can easily access your web page. Okay, within the style manner. Okay, also CSS provides some layout, mean that positioning. There are different types of the positioning: relative, fixed, absolute, and normal positioning. Then also we apply the margin. Then we use the padding, and using this we can design your web page. Okay, so this is for the CSS. Okay, now we will see how your website is created. Okay, we here only draw the layout of the website. So look at this layout. For example, this is your front page. Okay, this is your front page of your website. Then front page have the different section. For example, this is your header section. Okay, so this is your header section. While creating the website, we divide your section into different part. This is the left section. Mostly in left section we put up the menu bar. Okay, for example, your home page, your about us, contact us, then your organization information. Then also there is a horizontal bar. Okay, and in this way we create your websites. Okay, so to create your website most attractive, there is a need of the cascading style sheet. Okay, mean that cascading style sheet that contain the number of properties. Okay, for example, here is the statement that is a KKW. Okay, so this is a KKW element. Okay, you want to create this statement more attractive, then we apply the style. Mean that, for example, if you want to apply the size, apply the color to this text, then also apply the background color to this area, then apply the background image to this area, apply the some menu, sub menu to this the part. Mean that style plays a very important role in designing the web page. Okay, so this is a pictorial view of your front page, and basically we apply the style to your front page. Okay, so this is the basic about the your website and why we use the cascading style sheet. Okay, now we will see the some point regarding to the cascading style sheet. Okay, so these are the point regarding to the cascading style sheet. First one, we will see the introduction. Okay, introduction in that CSS that describe the content on the web page. Okay, we can say that it describes the content on the presentation layer. Okay, then cascading style sheet add the styles to the presentation layer. Okay, of the HTML document. means that it add the style to the your web page of the HTML document. For example, this is your web page. Okay, means that using the CSS we can add the style to this page. Okay, means that we add the style to this page, means that this plays a very important role. Then the presentation layer define the content. That content will be used by the end user and accessible by the web page. That is the presentation layer. Means that we add your style on the presentation layer. Then CSS is easy and effective. Why CSS is easy and effective? It is different than HTML because it provides the flexibility. It avoids the complexity. It saves the time. Okay, it reduces the code. Okay, so this is called as easy and effective. Okay, CSS is easy and effective. CSS, that using CSS we can apply the number of styles. There are different styles. Margin is the one style, mean that we apply the margin to the your outer edge. For example, this is your page, mean that we apply the margin and both side. Similarly, we apply the padding to the both side of your page. Then we apply the color to this page. So this is the properties. Then font base is the properties. For example, this is a word. We can apply the different font base to this word. Okay, so font base is the properties. There are number way we apply the property. Position is also properties. Then background is a property. Background color is a property. Background image is the property. For example, if you want to add the image here, okay, we can specify the image using the background syntax. Okay, then apply the path of the image. So number of styles mean that CSS, using CSS we can apply the number of styles to this web page. Then now we see the syntax of the CSS. Okay, syntax of the CSS. Syntax of the CSS. So this is the syntax of the CSS. Selector is the element and it is also called as a document. For example, paragraph tag is the element. Okay, and we apply the style to this selector. Okay, so this is the declaration. Property : value. Okay, so this is called as a property. For example, property example is the color and value is the red. Okay, so this is a syntax of CSS. We embed your CSS in HTML file also, and we also add the creator one separate file also, and we directly apply the CSS to the HTML code also. Okay, so this is a, remember that this is a selector. What is a selector? Selector is the link between HTML element and HTML document, and it is also called as a link between HTML element and this declaration. Means that this declaration is applied to this element. Okay, so this is called as a selector. And the last one is that attributes and value. Okay, what is attributes? For example, font base, colon, Arial. Okay, so this is your attribute and this is a value. Okay, for example, color. Color is the properties and red is the value. Okay, so this is your attribute and value. Okay, so this is about the CSS. Okay, that is a cascading style sheet. Okay, in next lecture we will see the types of the CSS and one example of the CSS without HTML and with HTML. Thank you.